My hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground. For when the first is strong and storm, what heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are stilled, when striving cease, my comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I'll stand. Christ the Lord, who took in flesh, fullness of God in heaven, placed faith, this gift of love and righteousness, spurned by the ones He came to save, till on the cross as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on Him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live. His body lay, light of the world by dawn, is laid, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave He rose again, and all His deaths and victory, since curse has lost His grip on me. For I am His, and He is mine, bought from the precious blood of Christ. No guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ. In this is the life, this mortal breath. Jesus commands my destiny. No power of Him, no scheme of man can ever block me from His hand, till He returns or calls me home. For with the power of Christ I'll stand. No power of Him, no scheme of man can ever block me from His hand, till He returns or calls me home.